Need to solve advanced math problems on your Windows PC. The scientific mode in Windows Calculator includes powerful tools for trigonometry, exponents, logarithms, fractions, factorials, and many other mathematical operations. In this guide, I'll show you how to use scientific mode in Windows Calculator in 2026. First, open the Calculator app from the Start menu or Windows Search. Once the app opens, you're ready to switch to scientific mode. Click the menu button in the upper left corner and select Scientific. The calculator will display additional buttons for advanced mathematical functions. Use the scientific calculator to perform powers, roots, logarithms, trigonometric functions, parentheses, fractions, factorials, and exponential calculations. You can enter expressions using either your keyboard or the on-screen buttons. If you're working with trigonometric functions, make sure the correct angle unit is selected. You can switch between degrees, radians, and gradients, depending on the type of calculation you're performing. Open the History panel to review previous calculations, and use the memory buttons to save important values for later. This can save time when you're solving longer equations with multiple steps. For faster calculations, use keyboard shortcuts and enter complete mathematical expressions before pressing the equals button. You can also resize the calculator window and keep it open alongside other applications while studying or working. And that's how to use scientific mode in Windows Calculator in 2026. Whether you're studying mathematics, solving engineering problems, or performing advanced calculations, scientific mode gives you the tools you need right inside Windows. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.